guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yes, baby. Yeah. We just got to Old McDonald's farm. I'm so excited. We're bringing Olivia on. We're gonna get out, baby. We're bringing Olivia on a little field trip to the farm today. She is the biggest animal lover, so I know she's gonna have tons of fun today. We finalized some birthday stuff this morning. My little girl is going to be two. I literally can't wrap my head around that. So Miss Olivia is ready to get out, so we are heading to the farm. Look, let's feed the baby goat. You want to feed the baby goat?
He's a bully.
Oh no.
He's a bully. Watch. The one with the beard.
Oh no. Look at the little baby.
Look at the little baby.
So cute. Okay, you want to put her down so she can feed the goat?
Yeah, he's getting him. Here, Mama.
Okay, give them. You want to give some to the baby?
Put your hand out. Give it to the baby.
It's in your hand, baby.
Give it to the baby.
Give it to the baby. Good job, Olivia. Yay! My cutie patootie. We're gonna come to this barn. Tell Dada that. Yeehaw! Yeah, Dada's coming up.
Have your hand.
You remember? Oh,
Grab right here, Mama.
Wow.
Grab right here. Stay on which side? Oh, which side? Hold on, Mama. Hey, hold on right here. Good job.
Hey guys, it is actually the next day. We had a blast at Old McDonald's farm. I would say the highlight for Olivia, besides the ducks, would be the pony ride. Since no one was there, they let us go around and around and around. So that was actually really nice. I'm working on a few DIYs that I need to wrap up. I also want to make a Valentine's Day craft for Olivia's Valentine's Day basket, and then I have like a larger project for Mark to help me bring to life. So he's actually gonna head to Home Depot to get supplies. We like worked out the details. Yay. Okay, I have a lot of ideas that I want to bring to life, so I need to get organized. I need to get organized in my head. So I'm going to plan a few things out for my day so that I can at least get a few things accomplished. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, but first up, we are going to play a game. I pulled this little game out of my little stash. It's called Lucky Ducks. It is a rather old game, but I thought it would be super fun for Olivia. It is a matching game. It's for, I believe, ages 3 to 6, but you definitely can use it with much younger toddlers. The little ducks swim in the pond. It is super cute. Now, it is very loud. It is rather loud, but there is a little hack. You can take one of the batteries out and the ducks won't quack. And that does help a little bit because they do quack a lot. But we are just going to break this out. Since she absolutely loved the ducks yesterday, I thought this would be super fun. Look, we can pull it out. We get a blue one. Look, we have a blue one. And we put the blue one, oops, over here. What color do you have? Red. Let's put the red one right here. Put the red one right here. Good job. Okay, what about this one? A green one. Where can we put the green one? Find the green. Great job. What about this one? It's yellow. Where can we put the yellow one? Yellow. Find the yellow. Yellow. Good job, Olivia. Okay guys, I had to run to Home Depot to get some more paint because we were using leftover paint and we didn't have enough. And I ran to the Dollar Tree and look what I finally found. They had these, or they came out with these last year. I never could find one and I finally did, and it's the pretty pink one. I am obsessed. I think it's so stinking cute. I also found some more of this, what do they call it? Wallpaper. Yes, the peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree. These are really great for crafting. So I picked up 2 sheets of that, and I did a little shopping in my mom's crafting stash. Yes, I did some shopping over at my mom's. I got this little pom-pom garland. I was going to make some pom-poms for my Valentine's Day craft for Olivia, but I think I'm just gonna like cut one of these off for that instead. I picked up some felt. Got some felt. We got some of these little rods. What do we have here? A strand of Christmas lights because I think I want to make a garland as well. I did take some of my mom's yarn as well just in case I want to make my own pom-poms, but for now I think I'm going to stick with the pre-made ones. She also had these little wooden pink balls already painted, so I am going to craft. Maybe not right now. I may have to wait for Olivia to go to sleep tonight, but I am ready to rock and roll. Here is a little crafting update. I went ahead and made a pom-pom. I did chop off one of the red ones and I kind of just thought like, I really wanted pink. So I went ahead and made one. I ironed on these letters. I was going to cut letters out in felt, but since I had those, I went ahead and just ironed them on. So we have Olivia Kate. I think that's so adorable. I'm going to add my little pom-pom to the top. So we're going to have a very cute little felt pennant flag to pop into Miss Olivia's gift basket. And then this is the ribbon that I pulled from my mom's stash. And I'm just going to tie some on right here. So let me go ahead and do that and show you what the final product looks like. Okay, guys, I am so obsessed. I think this turned out so cute. I literally, I can't. I have to make more of these. They are too adorable. Look at the pom-pom. Now, it's not the greatest pom-pom in the world. I could use some practice, but I think it turned out so cute. We have like this little tassel down here. I just tied some ribbon, pearls. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. I definitely want to make more. I did go ahead and prep the, like, to make a little hot pink one. I cut out the little letters that say XOXO. I want to make like a red and white one. I think it's going to be the perfect little pop, a little personalized item, and something like this you can keep and reuse. I definitely could even use this for her birthday and like pop it into her birthday gift. Love it, but let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Okay guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a couple of days with us. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your time with us. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.